Hey everyone, Sarah here with Signals Everywhere, and today I wanted to introduce you to CellScope. Now, CellScope is essentially LTE sniffer but ported for Windows application use. So, what we have here is complicated on the surface, but actually very simple to understand once you have everything kind of laid out. We have our spectrum and waterfall as you would expect. This is an LTE carrier for the downlink of T-Mobile, and that is my particular carrier. We get the cell ID, the band, and other information regarding this particular cell site. And you can see we are able to see all the devices that are connected to this cell site and how much data they are pulling down on the cell site. We can look at the traffic on the site, and we can even look for calls on the site by honing in on the voice codec's 20 millisecond heartbeat, if you will. We're able to listen in, and even though it's encrypted, we can tell when there's an active call happening on the network. And finally, we have this grid here that's going to show us just the allocation between data that belongs to us and data that belongs to other devices. We'll be able to highlight this in the chart, and I'll show you in just a minute how that works. So let's get to the fun part and show you a quick little demo here. And what we're going to do is I'm going to call Nintendo's hotline, and we're going to see a call activate here. So let me call Nintendo. I'll put that on speaker so you can hear it.
Thank you for calling Nintendo support. We're currently closed.
And any moment we should see a call show up in one of the devices here on the list. Here it
Even
is.
though we're closed right now, you can visit support.
And if I click on that, it will now highlight that call. We can do pinned only. So now it shows only the contents of that particular call on this particular pinned device. We can see that device is in a call right now and the confidence of that call. And then if we look at the grid, we can see that orange data I referenced earlier, so you can see where that data is. And as the call drops off, you can see that orange bit is dropping off as well. So there's less data coming from my phone and more for other users on this downlink. Now, to show you the downlink grid here even more, I don't know if you can see this on the screen or on the camera, but let me start a speed test on my phone, and as I run the speed test you can see that that grid is just completely saturated with data from the downlink that is for our device. Likewise, if you look at the active UEs here in the list, you can see that there's a huge spike of data coming from our particular selected device. So it is quite interesting to see that even though these cellular networks are encrypted, there is a lot of unencrypted information available that you are able to sniff and then piece together to learn more about the particular cell site you're listening to and the information around you. And like I kind of say in the intro, there are signals everywhere, and a lot of the times they're just not signals we think about. And so this is one of those subsets of signals that we don't really think about. We use them every day, and they're really not as secure as we think they are. So if you want to play around with CellScope, take a look in the description. I will leave a link down there for where you can download the software. It is open source, again based off SRS Sniffer, excuse me, LTE Sniffer and SRS RAN. And with all that being said, I hope that was a quick, enjoyable little demo. Huge shout out to my patrons, to everyone who bought a copy of MRScope, and to all of you who watch my content on a regular basis. You all make a huge difference in my life and my family's life. So I really appreciate you all being there, and I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Bye.